movement on the Bengaluru-Chennai highway. National Highway 44 has disrupted after a 100-meter stretch caved in due to soil collapse at a vehicular overpass construction site. We're getting the big breaking news. 100-meter stretch caved in due to soil collapse. I want to go across to Sri Lakshmi joining us with this shocking breaking news that the National Highway 44 sinks in Bengaluru. Shiv Lakshmi, give us more details.
Well, you can see that there's a 25 feet, more than 25 feet caving in, road caving in has happened here right beside the National Highway. The National Highway has collapsed in the morning and the construction work is still going on. This whole construction work was going on since a week, more than a week, and we can see very poor safety measures being taken. There's a school right in front of this construction work which is going on. This is in Attibele Chandapura place of Bengaluru Rural District. We can see since the morning this huge collapse has happened, and within 2 feet away, the heavy vehicles are still moving. The situation is still very, very dangerous. I have few kids with me. Do you cross this road every day?
Yeah, I cross every day. Full jam. Okay. College will be going lately.
Okay.
Every teachers will be scolding. But also we go to college, so jam here.
Okay.
Then even that side also crack is like this only. That side also.
Okay. The other side of the road is.
Yeah. Even that side also is there.
Okay. So you study in college?
Yeah, first year.
So how difficult is it for you to cross this road?
Huh?
How difficult for you to cross this place?
It is very difficult. Even that side also it is not open.
And is it not too dangerous that no safety measures have been taken?
Yeah, it is no.
Yes. Back to studio.
Sri Lakshmi, I want to stay with you. The visuals that are coming in, we're talking about India's dread traps. Sri Lakshmi, show us the visuals around you. Show us how the 100-meter stretch caved in due to soil collapse. We want to stay with those visuals in you, Sri Lakshmi.
Well, Rhythm, just a few minutes back, there were a huge troop of small kids of 9 years, 6 years, 5 years kids were crossing the very same place. It was so shocking even to see that picture. We can see that school van coming over there and no safety measures. Kids just get down over there itself and they cross the road. There is another school on the other part of the road as well. Huge traffic since the morning, and travelers over here were complaining of so many accidents which are happening here since the morning. And by looking at our logo, they are trying to catch our attention and crying that so many accidents have been happening since the morning because of this bad traffic and bad road situation. So it's said that few deaths have also happened due to the accidents, and now the highway authority is working on this. This is one side of the road, and on the other side also the situation is the same. Highway authority has working over there also, on the other side of the road also. All the three sides of the road, front, right and left, all the three sides of the road are simultaneously, disturbed. And the traffic road movement has been disturbed by this construction work. On one side, National Highway Authority is constructing this road. On the other side also, the road itself is collapsing. This is National Highway NH4, and people, small kids, college goers, everybody is walking. This is the day situation. What will be the situation? You can see the vehicles which are coming over there, and no proper lightings also. What will be the situation at night if this condition continues? Back to studio.
Those details, it stays with our top focus today, as continuously throughout the day we get you more details on this. Fix My Municipality, our campaign today. We also say the same for NH44.